Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover your MetaMask account without a recovery phrase. Alright, let's begin. If you've forgotten your recovery phrase, unfortunately, there's no way to recover your account directly. MetaMask relies on the recovery phrase as a secure method to restore access to your wallet. Without it, you cannot reset your wallet using a normal password or linked email, unlike other services. To explain further, the recovery phrase is a series of random words you must keep safe. It's a backup for accessing your wallet in case you forget your password. Unlike regular email accounts, which allow you to reset your password using an email or phone number, a blockchain wallet cannot be backed up or linked to those methods. If you lose the recovery phrase, there is no way to reset your account. So, if you've lost your recovery phrase, your only option is to locate it if you've written it down somewhere. If you don't have it, unfortunately, there's no way to recover your account. So that's basically how you can recover your MetaMask account without a recovery phrase. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.